So here we are for another day. Today we will talk about BitClout. We're going to talk about the pros or the positive things that I have noticed or see in BitClout. I do want to mention something to you because I think it's only fair. Yesterday I talked about the cons or the negatives about BitClout, and I only mentioned three. So today I want to talk about just three of the pros, and there might be more, just to make this fair. First one, it's a decentralized coin. What that basically means is no one owns it. Remember I said yesterday, BitClout is just coins and codes. That's it. Coins and codes. An example, Facebook. This is content. People place ads on Facebook. They own it. When you buy something here, if you buy something, then of course, whoever put the site or put the ad up gets paid, but Facebook gets paid also. But the content on here, you created the content, not Facebook. You created the content. Another ad. With BitClout, the content I own. Just like Facebook and Twitter, you can follow someone, you can like, you can do all that. You can retweet. It's called BitClout here. You can do all those things. The only thing at the present time, and remember, it's still new, things are changing, is that we can't place videos on our newsfeed. You can't do it, at least for right now. But the main thing is we own our own content with Facebook, with Twitter, with all the other social medias. They own the content. Once you put it on there, they own it. You don't own it. They own it. Next, with BitClout, there are two ways you can make money. You can either, let's go back to BitClout, you can bet on yourself or you can invest in others. By betting on yourself, what that basically means, or what I understand that to mean, is if you have a pretty good following on, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're at, if you can get your people to come over to BitClout and you post content, valuable content, they have the option to buy into your, I'm going to just say, your profile, your influence. So what this basically means here today is that my coin is worth at the present time, because this is a collection of coins, remember? Coins and code. That my coin is worth $25.33. Now that goes up and down depending on just on who buys or how many coins are sold, whether I buy them or someone else buys them. And it also means, if you look over here, when a person buys my coin, they will be given 10% of whatever total price that they buy the coin for. So that means that they are investing in me. I said that you can invest in others. Over here, you have some of the other coins that you can invest in, but there's a lot more. All you got to do is go up here and search. Remember, I showed you yesterday the Dave Chappelle coin. I can invest in Dave Chappelle coin if I wanted to. So if I look at all the friends I have on Facebook, so I'm not going to get into deeply making money with this. I can share another video with you that will get into it a whole lot more on the money aspect if that's something that might interest you. I'm just showing you pros and cons. Number three, I said I was going to show three. There's a lot of software being put up around this. There's a lot of businesses being developed around this. So you're getting in on the ground floor. Let me show you. This would be software around BitClout. They're all verified. Let me show you CloutGate. In CloutGate, it gives you information too. Active users, total amount of posts, likes, all this kind of stuff. Total creators. People that joined over the last 7 days or the last 24 hours. You can see all that. If I wanted to invest in some of these individuals, if I knew them, I possibly could. It tells you how many coin holders there are. It tells you how many joined last month. It tells you how many joined last week. You can get all that information. What I'm trying to point out here is that I believe that there's a bigger ecosystem. There's a lot being developed around the nucleus, which is BitClout. Those are my three primary pros about BitClout. So there we have it. Those are my three pros about BitClout. Those are the three main ones that I see. There might be more. And I'm not going to take up much of your time today. I'll be coming at you again, hopefully tomorrow, with more information about BitClout. Peace.